Hello students, welcome back to the 9th episode of Learning Python Programming. I saw some interesting shapes practiced in our AI labs and I'm very happy to see the efforts put by you all. If you want to get professional guidance, then you can connect with us and you can email us at marketing@clevered.com. For today's lesson, we will learn about while loops in turtle programming in Python. You can refer to our video explaining the functions of loops here to revise your old lessons.
Hello dear students, hope you are doing well. Welcome to the next chapter, that is while loops. In your previous level, you already studied for loop. As you know, loops are helping us to repeat a part of program multiple times. In this chapter, you will learn how to write and use while loop. While loop is used to execute a block of code repeatedly until a given code is satisfied. And when the condition becomes false, the loop will end. Confused? Let's try to understand this with a help of flow diagram. As you can see in the image, step 1, there will be a condition check whether the condition is true or false. Step 2, if the condition is false, end the loop. Step 3, if the condition is true, execute the body and then go back to step 1. Your program will repeat until some condition is true. Once the given condition is false, the loop will stop. This loop is very useful if you don't know how many times you have to loop. Here is the syntax image. Let's compare the for loop and while loop with the help of a small code. Here is the code. You need to print multiplication table of 5, refer the instruction and code it. After you are done using for loop, now let's use while loop. Assign values 1 and 5 to variable I and number. Put condition I less than equal to 10 and print multiplication table of 5. Here is the output. Here are the difference between for loop and while loop. That was wonderful, students. You did great. Stay tuned for the next interesting activities. Till then, happy coding.
There are some interesting differences between a for loop and a while loop. The best way to remember the difference between two functions is to practice coding regularly. Practice your coding in our AI labs and hone your coding skills. Here is how you can log in to Clevered's AI lab and write your own code. Step 1. Visit www.ailabs.com. Step 2. Click here to sign up and enter your details. Step 3. After registering, you will receive verification email. Once you verify your email, you will get the credential to log in and start creating your first Python project. Happy coding!